Alright, today we'll be building the Modway silhouette dining chair. Very comfortable, cool chair. Really simple and easy to put together. Takes about 30 minutes. Alright, let's go. First thing you want to do, you're going to unpack it and do inventory. Now you should have the chair back with legs on it, the chair seat with 2 legs, and a bag of parts. My favorite, the bag full of all the parts in one pile. Alright, so you separate them. You should have 8 bolts, 8 washers, 8 lock nuts, an Allen key, and a wooden dowel. So you have the chair back attached to 2 legs. You have the seat. You have your hardware. And the 2 legs that attach to the seat. Once you find out you have everything, now let's get going. The easiest thing to do is to start out here. Take 1 bolt, 1 lock nut, and 1 washer. And they basically attach first the lock nut, then the washer, and you get it like that. Do that to all of them first. Once you pre-do it, makes it a lot easier. The chair goes together real fast. So you got the lock nut, the washer. Boom. Alright, step 1. You're basically going to set up your chair. Put the chair back up first. Set here, those facing up. And you take your chair seat, it's Velcroed, pull the Velcro back. And you're going to take the chair, first up, get your wooden dowel and set that right in the middle. And the chair back, you're just basically going to set it right there. And then line it up, and then stick your bolts in each of those 2 here and 2 there. Alright, step 1, you're going to put these in, and do not tighten down. You tighten up at the very end. So just get them finger tight, maybe a little bit more. Get your Allen key. And you want it loose. Alright, that's step 1. Alright, step 2. You're going to take your legs, attach them, and use 2 bolts per leg. Very simple. Just take your leg, slide it right in there, right in the groove. And I just hand tighten them. Alright. Keep them loose. And do the same over here. It slides right in, like so. And the bolts. And you basically just wind them up, hand tight them. Alright, for step 3, the third and final step, you either get a heavy box or another person. I'll use my assistant for this one. Basically, everything's hand tightened. You're going to turn your chair back over. Have someone sit down in it. And then you get underneath. Make sure it's nice and tight. Wobble around a little bit. You're going to get up under here. I'm going to finish it off by cranking the screws down. Using your Allen key. You do that. And you do them all while the person's sitting on the chair, or you put a heavy object on there. And after that, you're just about done. Alright, after you tighten it all down, there you go. It's all set. One thing I like to do at the very end is turn it upside down. The Velcro thing, it comes up. You just basically Velcro it back together. But before I do that, I take the Allen wrench. I just set it in the back there because you're always going to need it. And then I add a little tape to it. Just basically tape it down. You never know if it gets loose. Any of these bolts need to get tightened back up. You know you have the tool, and it's right there. Finish it up. Velcro the thing. And there you have it. Now you got your Modway silhouette dining chair. Alright, well I hope that helped you, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.